What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the side hustles with Nano Banana before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the side hustles with Nano Banana works. What is side hustles with Nano Banana? Side hustles in Nano Banana is Google's new AI tool that delivers Photoshop level editing without the complexity. You don't need to learn layers, brushes, or spend hours on tutorials. Instead, you simply type commands in plain English, remove the background. Instantly done. Make this a professional headshot. Clean, polished, and ready to use. Turn this photo into a poster. AI creates it in seconds. What used to take hours in expensive software can now be done in minutes. That's why it's being hailed as the Photoshop killer, because it puts professional quality results into anyone's hands. How does side hustles work? Here are just 3 simple steps to start your Nano Banana projects. Read the book. Open 300 Side Hustle with Nano Banana and pick a hustle that excites you. No fluff, no filler, just step-by-step creative project ideas anyone can follow. Talk with AI plain English instructions into Nano Banana. No Photoshop, no design school, no tech headaches. Just chat with AI like you text a friend. Package your work for sale. Learn how to package your AI-generated edits for potential customers, sell posters, prints, templates, services, or even resell this very book with unrestricted PLR rights. What's inside the book? Here's a taste of what you'll discover. 300 creative, beginner-friendly side hustles. Ways to sell edits and products on Etsy, Fiverr, or your own store. Niches with constant demand like pet portraits, wedding gifts, and templates. How to package your edits into digital products such as planners, posters, or printables. Strategies to resell the book itself with unrestricted PLR rights. How to combine side hustles Nano Banana with other tools like Canva or ChatGPT for bigger profits. Benefits of Nano Banana side hustles for my business. Ease of use. The book's 300 ideas are broken down into simple steps. I could pick a hustle, follow the instructions, and have a product ready to sell in under an hour. Time saving. Side hustles Nano Banana's AI does the heavy lifting, so I'm not spending hours learning software or tweaking designs. Flexibility. The PLR rights let me rebrand the book and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, which opened up a whole new revenue stream. Scalability. I started with small digital products, but now I'm exploring bigger projects like creating templates for real estate staging and wedding graphics. Pros and cons of side hustles with Nano Banana PLR. Pros. Beginner-friendly, no tech or design skills needed. Perfect for people like me who aren't tech-savvy. Massive value. 300 actionable ideas for just $9.99 is a steal, especially with unrestricted PLR. Versatile. You can use the ideas yourself, resell the book, or both, like I did. Hot niche. AI is booming, and Nano Banana is a viral topic, making it easy to attract buyers. 30-day money-back guarantee, 0 risk to try it out. Cons. Learning curve for PLR. If you're new to PLR, it might take a moment to figure out how to brand and resell effectively. But the book's clear instructions help me get the hang of it quickly. Requires action. Like any side hustle, you'll need to put in some effort to see results. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but the payoff is worth it. Why PLR makes this different? Most books give you knowledge. This one gives you ownership. With unrestricted PLR rights, you can rebrand the book with your name and logo. Sell it as your own product and keep all profits. Use it as a lead magnet, bonus, or bundle. Repurpose it into videos, workshops, or training content. That means you don't just get an ebook, you get a ready-to-sell digital product in the hottest niche right now.